This series has covered a lot of information on filming techniques, recording quality audio, and lighting. I'm going to recap all this information by showing you glimpses of a student group in the process of planning and filming their video project. In this example, a group of students have been assigned to create a video project that educates kindergarten students how to tie their shoes. The first step the group is doing is planning their videos by answering the questions who, what, when, where, and how. After the group has thoroughly planned their video, they begin filming. Knowing exactly what shots they're going to film before they pick up the camera is going to save them a lot of time and frustration during filming and editing. I spent some time with this group finding out their plans for filming. Here's what I found out. 2 scenes the group wants to include in their final video is an interview scene and a shoe tying demonstration. The group has decided to shoot these 2 scenes back to back in a quiet, well-lit location. This is a great use of time and resources. The group decided to include cast members close to the audience's age, which is 5 to 6. They told me they felt this would make the video more interesting for their audience because they will be watching someone their own age. They also advised all cast members on what types of clothing to wear during the filming. While there are many good ways a video of this nature could be produced, this group is off to a great start. One thing is obvious, they've done their homework and have planned for this shoot. It looks as though they are ready to start filming the interview. Let me point out their intentions. The group wants to keep the focus on the child, so they purposely chose to film the interview using the over-the-shoulder shot. Here's how the videographer has the shot framed. Notice the good use of rule of thirds and headroom. Moving on, both the interviewer and the interviewee are wearing mics, which were tested before filming to make sure they worked and that there was no interference in this location. Well, it looks as though they've finished the interview and are ready to film the demonstration. In this filming, notice the attention given to the props. The table provides a good surface for the demonstration. First, it brings the motion to an adequate height for filming. Second, it provides steady support. The videographer will start with an establishing shot of the demonstration. Notice the good headroom and how this shot sets the scene and answers the question, who is tying the shoe? The actual filming of the demonstration will be from a different angle, the angle a person actually looks at a shoe to tie it. The videographer will frame the shot using an extreme close-up. Notice the use of the dark tablecloth that provides a contrasting color to separate the background from the shoe in order to see the demonstration more clearly. I think you would have to agree with me, the footage that is being captured here is very useful and has been very well thought out. In addition to this shoot, the group has also planned another shot to use in this video. The group wanted to include a shot that helps illustrate why it's important to know how to tie your shoe. They wanted to show that if you know how to tie your shoe, it helps keep you safe. Let me show how a little planning and a little knowledge is being used in this second shot. Notice the good use of rule of thirds in the subject placement. Notice the lead room given in the frame that allows room for the motion. Lastly, notice the purposeful placement of the subject in relationship to the sun. Well, I hope after watching this video, you're able to see how applying just a few basic concepts in filming can help you save time and frustration and increase the level of professionalism in your final video. Remember, your final video will only be as good as you planned it to be.